And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
We have been on quite the temperature roller coaster as of late. A couple of weeks ago, in Fond du Lac specifically, 60s. Last Friday, lower 20s. A couple of days ago, 60s. And tomorrow, once again, we will see highs only in the lower 20s. And then once we get that cold air back in here, it's going to be sticking around. 20, give or take a few degrees tomorrow, 25 on Saturday, and then mid to upper 20s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. As we head into next week, it looks like we will start to warm up as temperatures climb back up into the 30s. And 30s are what we are looking at right now across the entire viewing area. We've got 34 degrees in Manitowoc. It is 35 in the Marinette-Menominee area. And we're currently looking at 34 degrees in Oshkosh. In Appleton, it is mostly cloudy and 34. In Green Bay, it is also mostly cloudy. The temperature is 34 degrees, and look at that wind speed. It's only at 8 miles per hour, and there are no gusts to report in Green Bay, and really hardly any gusts to report across northeast Wisconsin. So what a huge change from the last couple of days. Much less wind. That was really the big weather story today, but those gusty winds are coming back. No, they're not going to be as strong as we saw on Tuesday and Wednesday, but we're going to be looking at sustained winds at around 15 to 25 miles per hour later on tonight into tomorrow. Those gusty winds will develop as our next weather maker pushes south. It's a cold front, and behind that cold front this afternoon, it was cold. Temperatures only in the teens and 20s, and this colder weather is going to be pushing south here as we head throughout the night into tomorrow. Take a look at your forecast for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, but high temperatures will only be in the upper teens to lower 20s, and that's with no snow on the ground. If we had snow on the ground, which is fairly typical this time of year, you could probably chop another 10 to 15 degrees off of that, and we would be looking at record cold high temperatures as we move through Friday, but that's not going to happen. We are going to be looking at some frigid wind chills with the gusty winds tomorrow. It'll feel like the single digits and teens below zero as you head off to work and school, and then by the afternoon, still cold, wind chills in the single digits above and below zero with that gusty wind. We will see clear skies overnight once the clouds depart. Lots of sunshine as we move through tomorrow. The weather will stay quiet as we head into Saturday and Sunday. We'll see sky conditions over the weekend ranging from mostly cloudy to partly sunny, and then we'll watch our next bigger system move in for Sunday night and Monday, and it looks like that system will produce some snow across Wisconsin. So your forecast for tonight calls for windy and colder weather, cloudy initially, then clearing, lows around 10, wind chills will be around 10 below. Tomorrow, windy and cold, upper teens to lower 20s with lots of sunshine. On Saturday, clouds mixing with some sunshine, a little bit warmer, but still about 10 degrees below normal, mid-20s. We spring ahead before we go to bed. Saturday night, turn that clock ahead 1 hour. That means we lose an hour of sleep, but we gain an extra hour of daylight during the afternoon and early evening. Some warmer weather on Sunday. There's that chance of snow on Monday. That'll linger into Tuesday morning, and then we'll see a slow warm up as we head through Wednesday and Thursday of next week. With sun and clouds, temperatures will get back up into the 30s, but all of those temperatures are below normal for this time of year.
It still is feeling like spring is on its way now that we're going to switch our clocks and we're going to get more daylight.
I know. Once we get through that next 7 days, I mean, we're only 2 weeks away from April.
So it'll warm up.
Time's moving quickly here.
Thanks, Cameron.
Yep.